Today I'm so excited because I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make the best barbacoa in an Instant Pot. It's very easy to make and it's super delicious, and I also made some red salsa in my previous video and I'm gonna pair it perfectly with that. So let me show you guys how to make it. We're gonna start off by making our adobo sauce, and I'm gonna add 6 to 7 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, 5 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, the juice of 3 limes, the following spices: 1.5 cups of beef broth. And then we're gonna blend it all together. Okay, make sure that your meat is at room temperature. And I'm just gonna start adding, this is salt and pepper. And then we turn it. I'm using 4 pounds of chuck roast, boneless, but you can use other meats. Meats that are good for these kinds of, for the barbacoa, are meats that are high in fat. You can use cachete, you can use ribs, whatever you like that's high in fat, that's the meat that will be the most tender for the barbacoa. I think we're done here, and now it's time to put it in the Instant Pot and saute it. We're gonna turn on the Instant Pot on the saute setting. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of oil and wait for it to heat up. Now that our oil is hot, we're gonna add the chuck roast on one side and saute it for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and now we're gonna turn it and saute the other side for 5 minutes as well. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so we're gonna start adding our adobo sauce. If the meat is not covered, I suggest you add a little bit of more water so that it can cover the meat completely. Then we add 1 onion that I cut into 4 pieces and 4 bay leaves. That is pretty much it, and now we're gonna cover it. Now we're gonna cancel the saute and put it on meat and stew setting. And we're gonna cook our meat for about 70 to 75 minutes. Okay, so the barbacoa was done, and I just let it sit for like 30 minutes in there. And then after that, I released the steam, and now it's ready to open so that we can see how it came out. It smells so delicious. Just by smelling it, you can tell that it's gonna be so good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take it out, and look at how tender it is, guys. It's just perfect. I can't wait to eat some tacos. I'm starving. So juicy and tender. Okay, so our meat is ready for the tacos, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of consommé so that it can be extra juicy. Look at how delicious it looks. Let me get my tortillas ready so I can start eating. Now I'm gonna make myself some taquitos. And I have some cebollita, onion, cilantro. And this is a sauce that I made in a previous video, guys. So if you guys wanna see how I made it, I'm gonna link it down below so that you can see it. And this is how they look. Gonna add a little bit of lemon. And moment of truth. Oh my God. Super, super delicious, guys. The meat is so tender. The salsa is a little bit spicy, but it hits just perfect.